start our math session. And our session today is about how long does it take. So today we're gonna start by elapsed time. So what's the meaning of elapsed time? Elapsed time, that's mean the activity, when your activity start and when your activity gonna end. So my session gonna start at 9 o'clock and it will be end at 9 and 30 minutes o'clock. So how many it take? How many minutes it take? It takes 30 minutes. So our lesson today is about elapsed time. So elapsed time is the time that pass from the start to the end of your activity. Okay. We have today many ways to calculate this elapsed time. The first way, how to add times. Add times like what? When I have minutes and hours, I'm gonna add minutes with minutes and hours with hours. Let's see this one. I have here 6 hours and 17 minutes plus 3 hours and 45 minutes. So let's start by add first minutes with minutes. So 17 plus 45. 7 plus 5, it will be 12. 2 and carry up 1. 1 plus 1, 2. 2 and 4, it will be 6. Let's go to hour now. It will be 6 plus 3. It will be 9 hour. But I have something here, Junior 4. I can't put number larger than 60 in minutes. So here I have 62. You know, Junior 4, when I have 1 hour equal 60 minutes. And when I have 60 minutes, that means I have 1 hour. So now I'm gonna regroup from here. 60. Take 60 minutes and put it like 1 hour in the hour. So 60 minutes mean you have now 1 hour. So let's add hour to hour. So this line it will be 10 hour and 62 minus 60 it will be 2 minutes. That's mean 10 hour and 2 minutes. So Junior 4, you can't put number larger than 60 in the minutes. So we're gonna subtract 60. When you make 60 in your hand, that means you have 1 hour. And this is the first way. It's adding time. Minutes with minutes and hour with hour. Let's move to the second one. So the second one here is subtracting time. The same. I'm gonna start with minutes and hours with hours. So I have here 9 and 20 minutes minus 5 and 45 minutes. I want to start by minutes first. So it will be 20 minus 45. You can't make 20 minus 45. You can't take 45 from 20. No, it doesn't work. So what should you do? I'm gonna borrow 1 from the hour. When you borrow 1 from hour, that means you have what? That means you have 60 minutes. So when I take 1 hour and I want to put it in the minutes, that means I'm gonna convert the hour to be equal 60 minutes. So 1 hour equals 60 minutes. So now you have 60 minutes. 60 plus 20, it will be 80. So 80 minus 45, it will be 35. And now 8 minus 5, it will be 3. So you have 3 hours and 35 minutes. Now let's move to the third one by using a timeline. So here Farah is training for a marathon and her goal is to run for 1 hour and 30 minutes. If she starts running at 8 and 35 in the morning, when will she finish running? First of all, I'm gonna draw my line time. It's called line time. So when Farah gonna start? She's gonna start at 8 and 35 minutes. I'm gonna start here to put 8 and 35. Okay, she take how many time? She take 1 hour and 30 minutes. So first of all, add the hour. I'm gonna add 1 hour. So when I add 1 hour to 8, it will be 9 and 35 minutes. Then start to add minutes. How many minutes you're gonna add? 30. So in the clock junior 4, I add minutes like the clock, so it will be at 1, it will be 5 minutes, at 2, it will be 10 minutes, at 3, it will be 15 minutes. That's mean you skip count by 5. So I want to skip count to reach 30. So I'm gonna add 5, so it will be 9 and 40, another 5 minutes, it will be 9 and 45, another 5, it will be 9 and 50, another 5, it will be 9 and 55. Now I want to add another 5. When you add another 5 to 55, it will be 60. That means you have 60 minutes. That means you have how many hours? Equal 1 hour. So I'm gonna put another hour and 1 hour, and in minutes it will be 0. So then at 5, it will be 10 and 5 minutes. So let's see how many 5 you add. 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, and 30. So after 1 hour and 30 minutes, she's gonna end at 10 and 5 minutes. This is how to use the line time. And the last one, it will be convert units. Convert units mean I'm gonna convert hour to be like minutes. So 1 hour equal 60 minutes. So here I have 2 hours. That means you have 2 times 60. That means you have 120 minutes. So 120 minutes plus 40 plus 50. 120 plus 40 plus 50. 5 plus 4, 9, 9 and 2, it will be 11, 1 and carry up 1, 1 and 1, it will be 2. And this is the last one. Now let's start by solve our exercises. So in the first one here, I have 2 and 45 plus 45 minutes. So let's make it by plus. When I make plus, I add minutes with minutes and hour with hour. Okay, I have 2 and 45 plus 45. So 45 and 45, that means you have 90 and 2 plus nothing here, so it will be bring down to at the same. But I have something here, junior 4. I can't put number greater than 60 in the minutes. Now I have 90, it's greater than 60. So I'm gonna subtract 60. So I'm gonna subtract 60. When I collect 60, that means you have 1 hour. So I'm gonna add this 1 hour to 2, it will be 3. And 90 minus 60, it will be 30. Sorry, 1 plus 2, it will be 3. So it will be 3 and 30 minutes. So here I have 8 and 50 minutes minus 29 minutes. I'm gonna write 8 and 50 minus 29. Let's subtract. So 0 is minus 9 doesn't work. 4, 1, it will be 4, and this 0 will be 10. 10 minus 9, 1. 4 minus 2, 2. And 8, it will be 8 as the same, so it will be 8 and 21. Here I have 1 and 39 plus 4 and 33. So I'm gonna make it hour with hour and minutes with minutes. And I start by minutes. So 9 plus 3, it will be 12. 2 and carry up 1, 1 plus 3, 4, 4 and 3 it will be 7. And 1 plus 4 it will be 5. But I can't put number larger than 60 in the minutes. So I'm gonna make it minus 60. And now I have 1 hour. So this 5, it will be 6. And 72 minus 60, it will be 12. Here I have 4 and 5 minutes plus 22 minutes. So 4 and 5 plus 22 minutes. 5 plus 22, it will be 27 minutes. And 4 plus nothing here, hour, it will be 4 as the same. Now I'm going to erase it. Here I have 9 and 20 minutes minus 11. So 20 minus 11, it will be 9. And 9 minus nothing, it will be 9 and the same. Here 3 and 40 minus 1 and 39. Let's start by minutes. 40 minus 39, it will be 1 minute, and 3 minus 1, it will be 2. So it will be 2 and 1. Here I have 6 and 33 plus 4 and 15. Let's start by minutes. 3 plus 5 equal 8. 3 plus 1 equal 4. And 6 plus 4, it will be 10. It will be 10 and 48. And now, I'm gonna break this one and move to the question board about the story problem. So here I have Gamal walked in the park for 2 hours and 30 minutes. And he has another 5 minutes to walk. So he walked first 2 hours and 30 minutes. And another 55. That's mean I'm gonna make it plus to know how long does he take. So 2 and 30 minutes plus 55 minutes. So 0 plus 5 equal 5, 3 plus 5 equal 8, and 2 bring it down at the same. But here in the minutes I have number larger than 60, so I'm gonna make it minus 60. So that's mean I have 1 hour, I'm gonna put it in the hour, it will be this 2, it will be 3, and 85 minus 60, it will be 25. Okay, and I can solve it by another way. I can convert this 2 hours by the minutes. It will be how many minutes? It will be 120 minutes. Let's make it plus 120 plus 30 plus 55. 0 plus 0, 0 and 5, it will be 5. 2 plus 3, 5, 5 and 5, it will be 10. 0 and carry up 2. 2 and 3, 5, and carry up 1, sorry, 1 and 1, it will be 2. It will be 205 minutes. So here by minutes and here by hours and minutes. Okay. Erase it. Here Daniel takes 2 hours and 15 minutes to drive to her grandmother's house. How many minutes does she take in drive? That means she wanna the answer to be in minutes. I'm gonna convert the hour to be like minutes. So 2 hours equal how many minutes? Equal to 120. So 120 minutes plus 15 minutes, it will be 135 minutes. So when you want your answer to be in minutes, it means you're gonna convert the hour to be like minutes. Now let's check your hour understanding by the first question here we have. And A worked from 7 and 5 minutes until 8 and 52 a.m. How long did and A work? That means I'm gonna make it minus 8 and 52 minutes minus 7 and 5 minutes. 2 minus 5 didn't work. I'm gonna put a 1, it will be 4, and this will be 12. 12 minus 5 it will be 7, and 4 minus 0 it will be 4, and 8 minus 7 it will be 1. So she take 1 hour and 47 minutes. This is 4 and 8. Now we're gonna move to and B. Start working at 11 and 25 a.m. and work it for 82 minutes. What time did and B stop working? So this 82 minutes equal how many hours junior for? I'm gonna make it minus 60. So I want to collect now 1 hour. So it will be 1 hour. And 82 minus 60, it will be 22. Okay, now I want to solve this one by the line time. So and B start at 11 and 25. So she worked for 1 hour and 22 minutes. First, I'm gonna add 1 hour. So when I add 1 hour to 11, it will be 12 and 25. minutes. So then I'm gonna add the minutes. Plus 5, it will be 12, and this 25, it will be 30. Plus 5, it will be 12 and 35. Plus 5, it will be 12 and 40. Plus 5, it will be 12 and 45. And then I'm gonna add 2 because 5, 10, 15, 20, I want to add 22. So I'm gonna add another 2. It will be 12 and 47. So now, how long did ant A and B work it all together? The first ant A worked for 1 hour and 47 minutes. 1 hour and 47 minutes. Plus ant B here worked for 82 minutes. 82 minutes mean 1 hour and 22 minutes. 1 hour and 22 minutes. Now make it plus. 7 plus 2 it will be 9. 4 plus 2 it will be 6. 1 plus 1 it will be 2. But I have something tricky here. I can't put 69 in the place for minutes. So I'm gonna subtract 60. It will be 3. And 69 minus 60, it will be 9 minutes. So they worked together for 3 hours and 9 minutes. And now we finish on your 4-hour lesson. Gonna meet in the next session. Bye bye.